This is one of the best ocean view condos available in Reserva Conchal, and it has 3,000 square feet. This is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, your premier luxury brokerage here in this gorgeous 𝐻𝐾𝐨, Costa Rica. Today I'm about to show you one of my new exclusive listings. We are at Malinche 321B. It's so beautiful. The views are awesome. I cannot wait to show you. Please enjoy this beautiful property tour with us today. This condo is one of the most spacious condos available on the market. It's over 3,000 square feet. There's 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and it's got amazing indoor and outdoor space. Check out this kitchen. It's massive. There's room for everyone to work. You've got this nice granite countertop, solid wood cabinetries, 2 pantries, and a back door entrance that has a washer and dryer. And best of all, right at your sink, you look at the majestic mountains. This is one of the best terraces of any property I've been on. I love it because it's so huge and it's got incredible views. From here you see the ocean, you see the mountains, you see the Catalina Islands. It would be the best spot to drink your morning coffee and to watch the sunset. Checkmate. Passing by an office space, you arrive at the master bedroom. Again, it's very spacious. You have a king bed, you have an ensuite bathroom with a jacuzzi, and you have a wet bar. And best of all, you have patio doors with the 𝐬𝐿𝐫𝐾 balcony that open up to this amazing view of the ocean. Every day you're going to watch birds darting through, and you're going to feel the fresh ocean breezes coming in. Bedroom could be like a second master. It also has a king bed with a closet, an ensuite bathroom, and this beautiful corner windows. Here on this side you see the mountains, and here on this side you see the ocean views. Here's the third guest bedroom. They have beautiful views of the mountains on this side. It also has its own ensuite bathroom. This condo would be wonderful for a permanent residence. Schools and hospitals and great restaurants are close by, or it can be used as a rental. Reserva Conchal is the #1 place people want to be. Malinche condos share this covered social area. It's great to hang out here and meet your neighbors. Let's go check out the pool. They have a wonderful swimming pool. Malinche condo has one of my favorite pools out of all the condominiums here at Reserva Conchal. It has beautiful lush gardens with flowers all over. It's got a long shallow end, a great deep end, a jacuzzi as well. There's also plenty of space to play with kids and dogs here, and you also get an ocean view. Reserva Conchal comes with a 60,000 square foot beach club. Here you're going to find multiple pools, stand-up paddleboards, kayaks, bikes, billiards, ping pong, an air-conditioned gym, an air-conditioned workspace, and amazing service. There's also 13 bars and restaurants on site that owners get 25% off, and 2 spas as well. This truly is the best place to live or to enjoy your vacations at. Reserva Conchal has one of the best golf courses in 𝐻𝐾𝐨, the Robert Trent Jones 2. They even hold the Latin PGA Tour here. It's very affordable to be a member, and there's also tennis and pickleball as well. Malinche condos in Reserva Conchal is truly paradise, surrounded by tropical nature and just steps away from this white sand beach. This paradise could be yours. Don't wait any longer. If you have any questions about this property or any other properties in Costa Rica, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to tell you all about it. Have a beautiful day. Pura vida.